Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and you're getting an E38 error and you're trying to figure out what's going on. So first of all, the E38 error is the detergent dispenser error. So it has a little solenoid that clicks and releases the detergent when the time has come, and if that fails to happen, then you will get this E38 error and the washing machine will abandon its cycle. So what you need to do is you need to figure out why it's not, and you might even hear it like the washing machine clicking several times before you get this error as it's trying to dispense the detergent, and either the sensors or the actual dispenser are not working properly. So there are a multitude of parts in the dispenser that may need to be replaced if you're getting this error. But the first thing you should do is just to turn the machine off, just do a hard reset on the machine and clear out anything. It could be an electrical error before you move on to actually trying to fix the mechanics. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.